Oh, oh! You got scared. Did guess it right. Whoa, let's open it up.
Mama, I got a robot.
Mama says cool. Can you get it out the box?
I can.
Ooh, cool. I wonder if we're gonna get the pink one or the blue one.
Pink or blue?
Yeah, that's
Let's
it.
see what we get.
Oh. Ooh, this.
I think that's the remote.
This.
Yeah.
This. We got a boy.
What's a blue one? Cool.
Boy. Mama, bye-bye. Hey, ooh, so cool.
The read instructions.
We need to put batteries.
It's a cool looking robot, Mia.
We have batteries.
Where does the battery go? Oh, it already has batteries.
I'm your new partner, Aaron. I have a lot of skills. I can sing and dance. Yo ho, my friends, come on. Let's rock and roll. Music.
I can do it.
Oh, oh! You got scared.
Oh my god!
He's a dancing machine. He's a dancing robot. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh! It does take 2 AA batteries, which Mama's going to go get right now.
The battery, look guys, the robot already works.
Yeah, the robot already has batteries.
When you push this button, guys.
Oh, that was the on button?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
An off button.
Slide backward.
Oh, I got it.
Aim more. Can you move him back? Oh, that's forward. Backward. There he goes. Alright, now make him turn left. Go right. There you go. Now make him turn left. Oh. Now make him go forward.
Slide forward.
There you go.
Slide backward.
Alright, make him turn around now.
Turn right.
There's this button and this button.
Yeah.
Backward.
Can you make him dance?